I realized that there's just no way physically you can't do it without a person dedicated to it. I mean, she
Yeah.
is on the phone all day long with patients, either answering questions or scheduling appointments. I realized also I bought a simple notebook computer to get on Facebook at night for an hour. So then she can still answer these people at night. Because what you'll get, of course, with Facebook is this person will message you and it might be 3 o'clock in the morning and 6 o'clock in the morning, another message saying, "Oh, we're still waiting for an answer."
Yeah.
So in my office, I always give people freedom. Also, like to let people run with things, and she's run with this real well.
I will say that to touch on the laptop, bringing it home has really benefited our office. The aspect of, like Doctor said, people message you when they have time, right? So you're basically at their leisure. So absolutely, they can have a lead. I can have a lead come in at 7 o'clock tonight. I don't call back till when I get in the morning. That kind of sets us back a little bit, right? Because they were available 7 o'clock last night, to where if I have the availability in my home, obviously, like Doctor was saying, I do have the capability to reach out to them, whether it be a simple, "Hey, I got your message. I'm so sorry we're out of the office right now. Let's talk again in the morning." I received this basically acknowledgement that they're being heard, and that I definitely will be following up with them. I think that's a huge, I mean, I've actually gotten people who've commented about how the turnaround time for our conversation has been great.